Of Howard alums are stepping up to help students after a pipe burst in their dining hall. This is some video of water rushing into the university's Bethune Annex cafeteria yesterday. That leak was quickly contained, but access to food is still slightly limited. And so tonight, an alumni-run restaurant is pitching in. Our Melissa Kim is at 1942 DC on U Street. And Melissa, tell us more about what the restaurant is doing to help.
Yeah, hey there, Leslie. You know, as you know too, no one understands more about what Howard students are going through than the alumni themselves. And I'm joined by one of them tonight. This is Siobhan Holman, who graduated from the Mecca in 2012. This is her partner, Benji. And tell me a little bit about why you guys are doing this tonight.
Yeah, so as you said, I am a proud alum of Howard University, class of 2012. And when Benji and I heard about what was going on at the Bethune Annex cafeteria, we had to spring into action immediately. Benji said, you know, we have to do something fast, and we brought the team together, and here we are.
So what is the deal tonight for students?
So what we're gonna do for them today is a special we're giving for them, like $10. You spend $10 for drink, $10 for meal, and 20% of the revenue gonna go to the Howard cafeteria to just help them to do something for them.
That's so awesome. And especially for being part of the Howard community, the alumni community, what does it mean for you to be able to give back to the institution that gave you your degree?
Oh man, you said it perfectly. Like, it's a full circle moment for me. You know, the community that raised me, you know, generations have done so much for the community so that I could walk on the yard. And so it's only right that I do that for the next generation. And so this is just a small gesture for us to give back to the students at Howard University.
Okay, I've been smelling this food for the last 10 minutes. Tell me what we have here.
Yes, so we have actually partnered with one of my fellow classmates, Denville, who has a phenomenal restaurant called Jerk at Night. We actually are authorized to use their menu, and so here we have their jerk chicken, mac and cheese, as well as some Cajun fries.
It smells incredible, and Jerk at Night, obviously notorious in this community. Tell me a little bit more about your business, and obviously being an HBCU alum, doing this during Black History Month, it all kind of comes together right now.
Yeah, so this was a lovely opportunity for me. Just being a Black woman, I've had to pivot into the hospitality industry after being laid off. And this is just an excellent opportunity for me to give back to the community that raised me, as I said before. It's a blessing that I have this opportunity with Benji. Benji has been in the hospitality industry forever. I was in corporate, but when laid off, you know, we were able to give back. And it's just proven, you know, phenomena that pivoting is a science, pivoting is a blessing, and you know, whenever you're faced with lemons, you make lemonade, and so that's what I've done.
We love that. And so again, if you're a Howard student, you do have to show your ID tonight, right, in order to get the deal. But what a cool thing, what a lovely thing for two Howard alums to do, and doing something good for their community here. Leslie, Zoe, back to you guys.
Yeah, this Howard alum loves what those Howard alums are doing. We were looking at the food, Melissa, thinking if you ate all of that tonight, it might be a little dicey at 11 with you keeping your eyes open. It looks good though.
That's a meal right there.
That is a meal. Congratulations to them for their big hearts, and we hope lots of people come out today to support those Howard students.